This is Lisa with walkandrelax.net. Walk with me for a few moments. I want to deliver a message today, and my message is about action. Action is the foundational key to all success. Now, we all know that everything we do, it requires taking an action, right? Like coming out, me taking this walk, that's an action that I'm taking. Because without action, even the best ideas still remains just ideas. So success, it isn't built on thoughts or dreams or plans alone. You gotta think it. You have to dream it. Then you have to execute. That's do it. And taking these walks for me, that's taking an action for me. Like I'm doing it. It's built on doing it, taking consistent steps. Even the small ones count. It creates a momentum and it gives you progress. And that progress is to get to the finish line. And getting to the finish line is saying that I took an action to take steps to move forward in my life, to become positive, to do something that makes sense, that will bring positivity. So action, it actually turns into a reality and it transforms goals. And your goals turn into achievements. So if we can believe it, we can achieve it. So no matter how slow or how imperfect you feel it is, just come on, take a step, take a walk, put those actions into effect and take you a long, nice woosah. And if I can take that walk and put it into action, so can you. It's that simple.